Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to access VS Code Marketplace in Google Antigravity code editor. So if you go to Marketplace in Google Antigravity code editor and search for some of extensions, for example Python, you will see nothing comes up. That's because in Antigravity you need to change the settings in order to integrate it with the VS Code Marketplace so that you can download all the extensions from VS Code Marketplace. So to do that, just click on this Antigravity settings link and it will open up this window. In here, as a marketplace gallery URL, you have to add this URL, and as a marketplace item URL, you have to add this URL. I will put the link in the description and then close this and close Antigravity again and reopen Antigravity. And now if you go to extensions tab and Antigravity settings, you can see URLs appear correctly here. They are correctly saved. And now if you search for some extension here, for example Python, you can see it will list down all the extensions from VS Code Marketplace. And if you search for prettier, you can see it will list down all the extensions here. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. I'll see you in the next video.